Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, gold did make a pretty nice little push up today, which I was talking about this morning was very likely. I said if we do get a break of structure down at a Fibonacci level, then I would take it as a short. But instead what happened is we had another higher low, another higher low. Now we're at the 78% and the same thing applies. I think this is likely still a wave B. I think this is a wave A, and I think the 78 or maybe the 88% is going to be where this possibly turns to the downside for a big wave C. I think this is up over here as an A. I still think we're in an ABC or B, and once this ABC or B is over, I think we're still going to have a big push to the upside, which will be pretty much equal to this big wave A over here for the big wave C. Now, tomorrow is inflation data, CPI inflation data for the US, which is normally a really big news event, so definitely be aware of the news tomorrow. Definitely keep an eye on any dollar trades that you may be in. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.